This is a 50 Hz current transformer detection circuit. When a load is connected, the transformer generates a small sine wave signal. This type of circuit is widely used in load detection systems, automatic power control, fault detection, and smart energy monitoring applications. By adjusting the sensitivity using a potentiometer, we can control how much current is required to trigger the detection. This circuit converts the analog signal into a clean high or low digital output. In this example, I'm connecting it to a 60-watt lamp. When the lamp is on, the output goes high. When the lamp is off, the output goes low. This is a very useful circuit. I'll show you in detail how to build and adjust this circuit right after a quick introduction to my partner and sponsor, JLCPCB. I'd like to thank JLCPCB for supporting this video. Over the years, I've used JLCPCB's 1 to 4-layer PCB in many projects, and they've always been reliable with fast turnaround. Now, JLCPCB is making high-performance 6-layer PCB more accessible. With 6 layers, routing becomes cleaner and more efficient, increasing wiring density by around 30 to 50%, so you spend less time dealing with routing limits and more time focusing on your design. With free via-in-pad technology and ENIC finish included, JLCPCB delivers professional-grade 6-layer PCB without the professional-grade price. If you want to try it yourself, you can get the latest coupon by clicking the link in the description below. This is the result after 1 week from uploading my Gerber files to the JLCPCB website. As you can see, the PCB quality is very impressive. The solder mask is clean and uniform, the silk screen is sharp and easy to read, and the edges are well finished. All the pads are well aligned, which makes soldering much easier and more reliable. Overall, the build quality looks very professional and it's ready for high-performance circuits. This is the PCB after partially assembling the resistors and capacitors. You can find the full schematic and Gerber files in the description below if you want to build it yourself. The 2 main ICs used in this circuit are the TL084 for signal amplification and the LM393 for comparison. All the other components are standard, easy to find, and widely available. This is a 50 Hz current transformer with an EI core. You can use any 50 Hz current transformer for this circuit. However, it's important to note that this type is different from the current transformers used in switching power supplies. This transformer uses a laminated iron core, while switching power supply transformers typically use ferrite cores. So make sure you choose the correct type for accurate detection. This circuit uses to 500 kilo-ohm potentiometers. One controls the amplifier gain, which determines how much the signal is amplified. The other adjusts the detection threshold, which defines when the output switches HIGH or low. Once all the components are soldered, we can apply power to the circuit. Then, we'll measure and verify several key points on the board to ensure everything is operating properly. Both ICs must be powered with around 12 volts. For the TL084, pins 13 and 14 must be at half of the supply voltage, about 6 volts. Pin 7 must be at the full supply voltage, around 12 volts. If any of these voltages are incorrect, the circuit may not function properly. This circuit uses 3 potentiometers. The first one controls the gain of the amplifier. If you increase the gain, the circuit becomes more sensitive and can detect very small loads. However, it may also pick up more noise. If you decrease the gain, the signal becomes cleaner, but you'll need a larger load to trigger the output. The second potentiometer is used to adjust the detection threshold of the circuit. This sets the level at which the signal is considered valid and triggers the output. By increasing the threshold, the circuit becomes less sensitive and ignores small signals. By decreasing the threshold, the circuit becomes more sensitive and can detect weaker signals. This is the signal from the current transformer. Even with a 60-watt load, it's extremely small. But with this circuit, it can be amplified, cleaned, and convert it into a stable digital output. With this isolated current transformer, the output is very safe to work with. You can touch the output signal without the risk of electric shock under normal operating conditions. This is the schematic of the circuit. The TL084 includes 4 op-amps, and the first 2 stages are configured as amplifiers to boost the signal. By adjusting potentiometer P1, you can increase or decrease the overall gain of the circuit, which directly affects how much the input signal is amplified. The other 2 op-amps are used to create a stable reference voltage at half of the supply voltage. This reference is essential for proper signal comparison, allowing the circuit to accurately detect when the signal crosses the threshold. The 2 comparators in the LM393 are used to set the detection threshold and control the output. When the input signal crosses the threshold, the comparator triggers the BC846 transistor, which drives the final output signal. This is a powerful and versatile circuit with many real-world applications. I hope you can build it successfully and learn something useful from this video. If you like this kind of content, please support the channel by liking, sharing, and subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.